Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show y'all some repairs I did on this Dodge Challenger SRT. Now this car came in because the lap joint that was put in when it was quartered was starting to blister up, and it was bonded using an old method called brazing. It's not really used that often anymore, not that I know of, or not around here at least. So I went in there and I cut that old lap joint out, and then I put in some new cold rolled sheet metal, grinded it down, did some body work, got that all prepped up and primed. And then the front bumper, the previous owner had used a hot water pressure washer, and he actually melted a hole in it. He actually had it covered with the front license plate, so when my customer came in after he had recently bought the car, he wanted to go ahead and repair it. He didn't want to have to buy a new bumper. That was an extra expense he wanted to avoid. So I went ahead and repaired that front piece for him. Here I'm getting it ready for paint after I did the body work, primed it, prepped it for paint, washed it. I always wash my vehicles before I paint them. It's just kind of a thing I like to do. Hey, what's going on, guys? So the Challenger's ready for paint. I got it in the booth. I masked it this morning. I just got it wiped down. It's ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix some sealer. The color is PX8, which is just black, Chrysler black. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix some black sealer or dark gray sealer to hit all these spots. And I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with base and clear. So let's go ahead and get it ready. Okay, now once it's in the paint booth, I use a variety of different paint guns. For my sealer, I like to use a 1.3 tip LPH 400. For my base coat and clear coat, I have found that my Segola Extreme 4600 XL with the 1.3 tip is quickly become my go-to spray gun for base coat and clear coat. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video. If you tune in to the very end, hit that like for me, drop a comment down below, share this video, subscribe if you haven't, and as always guys, I'll see you on the next one. Later.